Students of class 6, once again you see chapter 3 playing with numbers. Now we will move into exercise 3.2, question number 4. Question number 4, find the HCF of the following numbers using number A, prime factorization. So for prime factorization, how to do 144 and 234? First we will prime factorize 144. So 144, divisibility test also will be used. It should be in your mind. Once the ones place digit is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then we can start dividing it by 2. The first prime number is 2. So here the factors should be prime numbers. So first we start with 2. It is divisible by 2, 272 times. Now we will bring down 2. Again think 72. 72 can still be further divided. So by for what? First 2. 236 times. Now these two 2's will be written down, and now again 36 will be divided by 2, 218 times. Then these 3 2's will write below, and 18 is divisible by 2, again 2 9 times. Then these 4 2's we will write below, 1 2 3 4 2's. Then we will think about 9. Now 9 is divisible by 3, not by 2, so 3 into 3. So finally these are the prime numbers which cannot be further divided. So 144's prime factors, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 144. Then we will see that of 234. Now prime factorization of 234, same method, 2 into 117 time. Then 2 will come down, and 117 is divisible not by 2 but by 3. So 3 into 39 times. Then again 2 will come down, 3 will come down, and 39 is divisible by 3. 3 how many times? 3, 13 times. Now finally we got 2, 3, 3 and 13, which do not have any other factors. So they are prime numbers. So now we will write the prime factors of 144 and the prime factors that we got of 234. So 144 we got as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, and 234 we got the prime factorization of that as 2 into 3 into 3 into 13. Now we will see the common factor in both the lists. 2 is common once, so for HCF we will write 1, 2 here. Then these 2, there are no more 2's, so they will remain as they are. Then you think about 3, 1 3, 1 3 here, so that becomes common, so we will write 1 3. Then again 1 3 more is common, so that 2 will be written here. So we got 2 into 3 into 3. So 18 is our HCF of highest common factor of 144 and 234. Now next one, number B, division method. By division method find the HCF of 288 and 420. 288, 420 will factorize them together. First, this is common factor of 288 and 420. Common factor of these two numbers is 2. So prime number 2. By 2 144 times, and by 2 210 times. Then 144 and 210, again they have 2 as common factor. By 2 we will factorize them to 72 times and to 105 times. Then 72 and 105, they don't have common factor 2, but they have their common factor 3. That is another prime number. So 3 24 times and 3 35 times. Now 24 and 35 do not have common factor, so we will stop here, and those common factors which were there, we will multiply them. Only these common factors will be multiplied to find HCF. So 2 into 2 into 3, we get 12. So this 12 is the highest common factor of 288 and 420. So this way, one common factor method and one prime factorization method we did. Now you have some other methods also which were not there in your book. One of them was there, long division method, but not the factor method. One more method is there, factor method to find HCF. So we know HCF is also known as GCD, greatest common divisor. So suppose you are finding the HCF or GCD of 12 and 16. So we will write first all the factors of 12. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And all the factors of 16. 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Then we will circle the common factors there. Common factors are 1, 2 and even this 4 is common. So 1, 2 and 4. Now finally we will see which one is the greatest common factor or highest common factor. Among the common factor 1, 2 and 4, highest one is 4. So that is why it is called highest common factor. So HCF of highest common factor of 12 and 16 is 4. Another method by which we can find out the HCF is long division method or repeated division method. Suppose find HCF of 32, 56 and 72. So in this case, by one smaller number we divide any of the bigger number, like 56, 72, any one of them we can divide by 32. So I choose 56. So 32 one time is 32, 56 minus 32 you will get 24. Then now by 24 we will divide the previous divisor, that was 32. So 24 one time is 24, so 32 minus 24 is 8. Again by this remainder 8 we will divide the previous divisor 24. So 8 3 times is 24. So the HCF of 32 and 56 is 8. The last divisor which divides completely, that becomes the HCF. Now we will test with that 8 if 72 is divisible or not. So again 8 by 8, let us divide 72, and we saw that 8 9 times is 72. So 8 divides 72 also. So 8 is a factor of 72 as well. Therefore the HCF of 32, 56 and 72 is 8. So this way we find the HCF. So you can use the method as per the question, long division method or repeated division method. You may use this factor method if it is asked in the question, or prime factorization method, or common factor or division method. Though this common factor or division by common factor is the most common method and most convenient method. So you need to learn this method, as well as for longer or bigger numbers. For bigger numbers, long division method is more suitable. Okay, now you will do your exercise 3.2. Okay students, see exercise 3.2, question number 1, find the common factors of 42, 98. That was already done by me and given to you. Now you will do which I had not done. So like number B was not done here, 72 and 112. So question number 1, question number 2 is find the prime factorization of. Here too I had done one, the others you will do. You try yourself. Question number 3, first one I have done. You look at that and then you do number B yourself. However, question number 4 we did today. So question number 4, number A 1 I have shown you, and number B this 2 I have shown you, while 3 and 4 you will do yourself. That much for today. Thank you.